Stop thinking of ERP as just a software. Hello everyone and welcome to ZConsulto educational series. Today we are exploring an essential perspective, which is ERP as a technology, not just a software. When you hear ERP, you might think of a software system that manages all your business processes, which is not wrong, it is correct. But in fact, ERP is way more than just a software. So let's break it down. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. While it is true that ERP integrates functions like finance, HR, supply chain, inventory, and a lot more into one unified platform or into one system, but its impact goes beyond integrations only. ERP is a technology that drives digital transformation. It connects data across departments, also breaks down data silos, and enables seamless collaboration. But what sets ERP apart as a technology? First, it's the scalability. ERP systems grow with your business, adapting to new processes and demands. Second, it's the automation. ERP automates routine tasks, also reducing manual errors and freeing up your team for more strategic activities. Third, it's the intelligence. ERP provides advanced analytics and reporting, offering deep insights into your operations and helping you make more informed decisions. Lastly, ERP enhances agility. A rapidly changing market, ERP enables you to quickly respond to new opportunities and challenges, which is ensuring that you are staying competitive. At ZConsulto, we believe that viewing ERP as a comprehensive technology solution rather than just a software is a key to unlocking its full potential. So if you think you're ready to take your business to the next level and start to look at ERP as a technology rather than just a software, we can help you with that. Stay tuned for more insights and knowledge like this. Thank you for watching. Until the next time.